Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to fix slow download speed in Google Chrome. First, open Chrome and type Chrome/settings in the address bar. Then go to System. Make sure Use Hardware Acceleration when available is turned on. Next, click Privacy and Security. Select Security and turn off Safe Browsing temporarily if downloads are being throttled. Now open a new tab and type Chrome//flags. Search for parallel downloading. Set it to enabled, then click Relaunch. Chrome now downloads files in chunks, making downloads noticeably faster. If it's still slow, disable heavy extensions and try again. Less waiting, more progress. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.